Hi, everyone. It's your pals at Transport Topics here with another episode of What's That? The show that helps you define common, yet sometimes confusing freight industry terms. Today, we compare the differences between an owner-operator and a company driver. The main difference between an owner-operator and a company driver in trucking lies in ownership and employment status. Owner-operators are independent business owners who own and operate their own trucks, taking on the responsibilities of vehicle maintenance, insurance, and operational expenses. They typically contract with freight carriers or brokers to haul loads, earning a percentage of each job. While they have more control over their schedule and load selection, they also face greater financial risk as they must manage operating costs such as fuel, repairs, and taxes. On the other hand, company drivers are employed by trucking companies and drive a company-owned truck. They receive a salary or hourly wage and typically are provided with benefits such as insurance and paid time off. Company drivers have fewer responsibilities as the company handles the truck's maintenance and expenses, but they also have less autonomy over their schedules and load choices. And that's your What's That of the day.